What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your favorite girl, Sera.
It's your boy Tuxx.
And
Baba.
Today we are going to... We're going to New Zealand, guys. And we're going to bring you guys along. We're actually running a little bit late, so let's go in. Hi, babe. Hello, my darling. Hi, guys. Princess. Show me your pukana.
Happen. Lights will illuminate, showing you the path to and then help others around you. There is a life jacket located in the pouch under you.
Guys, they've come around and given us our meals. I'm just about to get into mine, doing declaration forms. Everyone's already finished eating. Son had this pie. Aziz and I got egg and egg roll. Got a lemonade to wash it down. Dig into Son's pie. Pretty basic.
Yeah. See you all family, yeah? Cars, welcome to Auckland, New Zealand, brother.
Did you just get here longer? No, we all just got here.
Yeah. Yo fam, so we've touched down. We're just trying to sort out whether we get an Uber or what. I don't know what the hell's going on, but fam just got here to me now. There was a mean welcome, bro. How was your guys' flight?
Oh yeah, your dad was pretty packed in.
Hey,
Yeah,
bro, that was shit. You feeling my life?
Oh, guys, great.
Good to see some whānau here, eh?
Yeah, saw some whānau and...
We're gonna try to figure out what's going on. Son, what's the time?
I've already changed my time.
Brother!
It's 2 o'clock in the morning.
It's 2 a.m, bro, so we don't know what's going on, bro.
Okay, fam. We just got here at Denny's. A lot of us didn't really have dinner, so we thought we'll come and have some dinner and then we'll go and check into our hotel. Yay! Sis, how was your flight?
It's good.
It was good. We're excited to try Denny's. Everyone else is coming. Taru and Ko went to drop our bags off to the hotel, and the rest of the crew are making their way over right now. This guy is knackered. Hey, sleep is for the weak.
So we're over 24/7. There's fish and chips in there.
This is so cool.
I know.
I thought it was like a hungry jack.
What would you guys like?
Breakfast menu looks good.
Yeah.
Hi. Yeah, bro.
How to buy? I can see.
Snapper burger.
So good, eh? There was some curly fries there, another snapper burger, pancakes, fish and chips, Banana bros, double bacon.
Yeah, what's the dessert?
Chicken wings. How's the burger, bro?
Cause
Guys, get hot.
it's actually pretty hectic. They say in New Zealand everything costs big areas, but they're not wrong, cause
Bro. That fish and chips done.
Oh, it's beautiful, man.
Beautiful.
That is nice.
Sun is out. So yeah, keep in mind, guys, it's like 3:50 something. 3 in the morning. So yeah, we got a long time, man. Long time.
Alright guys, so the boys have gone to get our rental, which is a van from the airport, and also pick up the second lot, which is the siblings, the Umanga siblings. So we're gonna walk down to Starbucks that opens at 6:30. Guys, no one's tired. No one wants to go home and sleep. They all want to ga'a. Auckland, these people are so ga'a, bro.
Okay guys, we're back at the airport. We had to get our rental. Also, I forgot the pram, so we had to come back, get the pram. We had to figure that out. And now we're waiting for Shema and Caroline to come out of the thingo. Here with the bro.
Yes, ready.
And we're trying to aim for a bit of a Joe cousin. See if it puts on a bit of a show. So yeah. That's what happens when you don't sleep, eh, bro?
Yeah, that's it. Team no sleep, man.
Don't sleep, brother. So yeah, I'll make sure to turn it on when they come through. I don't know, bro. I feel like we're gonna say something, and then all these people.
Everyone's got to turn around.
These people again. Jacqueline! Joshua! Let's go. Let's go say hi to them. Okay. Tours in here getting... What's he got? Here he is. He got this Charmander, bro. What? Yeah, I think he's getting a bit of a juice.
The music's on. Okay guys, we got our van and the Umanga Sips have made it. Guys, the crew made it out of the group chat. We really made it out of the group chat, guys. Alright guys, we're just here at Mangere. One thing we've noticed about New Zealand, they really do the name and shame. They really said, let me name and shame the Steelers here.
Is that cool?
She goes, is that Goa? Yes, no. Yeah.
Okay, guys, we have had a rest and we are on the way to the conference. First service, jam-packed. Let's go. Wow. So I don't know if you can hear by the sound and the tone of our voices. We're excited to be here in Auckland City, man.
Guys, we're going to have
Straight out. Oh, it smells. Shh, 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 shh. This smells like...
Okay, guys. Day one of our conference finished. It was so good, praise God. But right now they're just setting up the inga and then we're gonna eat. Okay, guys, we've got our food. So New Zealand is known for their seafood, and they literally pulled up with the seafood boil.
Nah, this is crazy.
This is crazy good. Everyone, food coma tonight. Okay, let's try this.
So
Seafood.
sweaty.
Guys, it's really hot in here, just saying. Seafood boil, trying first.
The fish is
Salmon. Okay, we're going in with a mussel. Pulling that out, guys.
wow.
The mamui, guys.
Hello.
Guys!
I cut the leg. Hi.
Try a drumstick, please. We'll try and not eat like this guy. We'll actually end up like my mate over here. Done, sis. That's what it is. Done.
Guys, I'm eating mamui from Papa Toitoi. Guys, the mamui is so good. I rate it like an 8.5 out of 10. I had a sausage as well. We don't know what this sausage is, but it's so good. Thank you so much, AOG Pedro Samoa in Auckland for this. LMP, guys. What does the P stand for? Pepper. Lemon pepper. Hi, lemon pepper.
We're gonna try the paua. Wow! This is what I came for. I came for the paua and the kino. Okay, guys, look at that. Just gonna grab a big scoop. Guys, we're gonna have to leave. We're gonna have to get rid of this. We're done.
We need to eat ugly.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Guys, New Zealand food is so next level. Day one and right up there.
I think